When the VIX is high, is it time to buy? Well, apparently so, but what about when it forms a death cross pattern? Well, let's break down the inner workings of Wall Street's fear gauge with our very own Jared Blikre. Hey, Jared.
That's right. Normally, you wouldn't think risk on when you hear the term death cross, but in fact, we use that term not only with the S&P 500 and indices and stocks, but with the VIX. And since the VIX moves generally opposite the direction of equities, well, when you have a death cross, that's probably when you want to buy stocks. Now, here we're looking at the VIX Volatility Index on a year-to-date basis, and you can see it's been trending lower all year long. And I've prepared a chart here. We have the S&P 500 in the upper graph here. This goes all the way back a couple years, and we have the VIX all the way down here. That big spike is a pandemic spike. And I have the 200-day and the 50-day moving average here. And I did a little study. The last time we got the 50-day moving under the 200, which is what we call the death cross, and that's kind of the signal that we're getting right now, we did have a buy, but I'll tell you what, it didn't make any money here. In fact, it lost money. Now, you go back to the one before that, the very last signal, that was in October, well, let's say August of 2020. That was a decent buy, and the sell did not come until right here. So kind of a mixed picture with respect to that signal. But I just want to take a step back here and look at the S&P 500. I don't think we need to overcomplicate anything. Every chart technician in America is looking at the S&P 500 over a one-year basis and is watching price action right now. It is at the Rubicon. If it breaks through here, we get a couple closes above, especially since we also have the 200-day moving average here. That would probably be an all clear. And of course, we have the big catalyst. We had CPI this morning. We got Fed Chair Powell tomorrow. So anything's in the cards here, but an incrementally bullish step right here by moving over this line and over these resistance levels today.
That's why we call you our chart master, Jared. Always charting these things for us. Thanks so much for that.